Once upon a time in the quaint village of Willowbrook, nestled deep in a lush valley, there lived a young girl named Eliza. She was known far and wide for her insatiable curiosity and boundless imagination. Willowbrook was a place where magic seemed to seep through the very soil, where every tree whispered secrets and every stream held mysteries waiting to be uncovered. It was the perfect setting for a young girl like Eliza. One crisp morning, as the first rays of the sun painted the sky with shades of pink and gold, Eliza awoke with a spark in her eye. She had dreamt of a hidden treasure buried deep within the Whispering Woods, a mysterious forest that bordered the village. The treasure was said to grant its possessor one wish, and Eliza was determined to find it. With a small knapsack filled with a loaf of bread, some cheese, and a handful of berries, Eliza set off on her adventure. She skipped through the village, her auburn hair bouncing in the breeze, and her heart filled with excitement. Her path led her into the Whispering Woods, where the tall, ancient trees seemed to lean in conspiratorially as she entered. As Eliza ventured deeper into the forest, she heard the soft whispers of the leaves overhead. They seemed to be guiding her, and she followed their rustling like a secret map. Birds of brilliant plumage perched on her shoulder, their songs harmonizing with the gentle hum of the forest. After hours of exploration, Eliza stumbled upon a clearing bathed in dappled sunlight. In the center of the clearing stood a magnificent oak tree, its branches stretching high into the sky. Beneath the tree lay a stone pedestal, and atop it rested a small, ornate chest. With trembling hands, Eliza opened the chest to reveal a glimmering, iridescent gemstone. It radiated with a soft, ethereal light. She knew instantly that this was the treasure she had dreamt of. In awe, she whispered her one wish. "I wish for the wisdom to protect and preserve the beauty of the Whispering Woods and all the wonders of our world." In an instant, Eliza felt a rush of knowledge and understanding flood her mind. She knew how to heal the forest's wounds, protect its creatures, and ensure its secrets remained safe. She thanked the ancient oak tree and promised to be its guardian. As she left the Whispering Woods, Eliza could hear the trees whispering their approval, their leaves now filled with warmth and gratitude. She returned to Willowbrook, her heart brimming with a newfound purpose. With the wisdom she had gained, she inspired her fellow villagers to join her in protecting the natural world around them. Years passed, and Willowbrook flourished like never before. The Whispering Woods thrived, and the village lived in harmony with the enchanted forest. Eliza's legacy as the guardian of the woods continued for generations, reminding all who ventured into the forest that sometimes the greatest treasure of all was the wisdom to protect the magic of nature. And so, in the village of Willowbrook, the tale of the young girl with the boundless imagination and her wish for wisdom lived on. A reminder that even the smallest among us could make a world of difference when their heart was filled with love for the natural wonders of the world.